Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck, dude! You broke it!
Yes, you did!
Dude, you fucking broke! Oh, shit! Dude, you fucking broke! You can't drive this! Your dad's gonna fucking murder you!
Hey, is it the front one?
No, it's the rear!
Oh.
Dude, it fucking popped out! Wait. Oh, dude!
Round 3 or what?
Oh, fuck.
Fuck yeah!
Hey, anybody see the other half of it?
You won. Yeah, I think you won. He just broke Christian's driveline in half.
Wait, what?
He just broke Christian's driveline in half.
Who did?
Hey, stop. Stay right there so they can see. Stay right there and leave the lights on.
Hey, move! Fucker! I'm under the light. That'll work.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be hanging.
Fuck for it! The Chevy didn't break, so it wins.
That thing is indestructible. Hit it, treated